So one of the easiest things to do is to create an assignment in which you just use a YouTube video. Watch the YouTube video. Okay. Then write an essay about whether you would be a patriot or a loyalist during the American Revolution. Okay, so we're going to add from YouTube, and you notice on YouTube you could choose URL, but we're just going to do a video search and let's see if there's anything on patriot versus loyalist. So we do a search, and there they are. And so we'll take the top match and we'll add that. And we'll assign it. And then we'll go over to our student and see if that shows up. So he goes back up. And look, it just got assigned. So we go to classwork. And oh, what did I do? I forgot to use the topic. So I go back to here and I look at my practice assignment 3. Okay, so all is not lost. And I'm going to edit it. And I go to the topic and I'll say practice assignments. And I'll save that. Okay, so now I put it under that topic header. And so here we're back with our student and we see that it's rearranged it very nicely. So we go there, we view the assignment, okay, and it starts that video for us.
Enlighten